Hello friend, in this video I will show you a immobilizer wiring diagram. Nissan immobilizer wiring diagram. Nissan Petrol 2001 to 2005, Nissan Infinity 2001 to 2005, and Nissan Sunny 2001 to 2005. In this video I will tell you how to read a wiring diagram. First thing first, the first pin is B positive, direct from the battery fuse. This model is same diagram. This is the first pin, the white one is the hot all time, be positive. This type immobilizer wiring diagram. The second one is ignition switch. This is pin 1, this is pin 2, this is the ignition fuse. When you on the switch, B positive will be come in this wire. The third pin for the security light indicator. This is the third pin for security light indicator. This one for the security light indicator. And the fifth one, black, this is ground. And the last pin, pin number 8 to the ECM. If the key code is same, then this last pin sent to signal to the ECM. This one, the last 8 one. Pin 1 is B positive, pin 2 ignition switch, pin 3 for the security light, this one, and pin 4 is not for use, and pin 5 ground, black. Now you check how to work the security light. This is, I put the tester in positive lit in the battery, and you see the pulse with the ignition switch off. You see the pulse. This is the security indicator, third one pin. When you on the ignition switch, the light will be off. Thank you for watching.